Hello students, kindly remove your maths textbook page number 69. Okay, so on page number 69 today we are going to learn perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. So kindly copy this, draw this diagram and write this formula, which is very important. Similarly, you will also write the formula of perimeter of a square. Draw the diagram in your maths notebook, just for a reference. Okay, moving to page number 70, problem set 49. See, I have also written perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. This formula you have to remember by heart. It will be useful in your further standard also. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. See, rectangle breadth, both the breadths are opposite sides are equal, so the whatever measure the one breadth will have, the same measure will the other breadth will have. Similarly, the length will be also be same because opposite sides are equal. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. And here second formula, perimeter of a square. See, square has 4 equal sides, no? So 4 into length of one side. For example, if here it is 2 centimeter, so 2 into 4. So 2 4s are 8. Okay, so this we will learn in problem set 49. We will solve the sum. See, I have kept my formula ready with me. Now let us start solving the first sum. Okay, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? So always do a rough diagram. Okay, so this is 7 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter wide and 7 centimeter long. Okay, now what is given? So the length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is, wide means breadth, okay, long means length. Always the bigger number is the length and the smaller number is the breadth. Then let us solve. What is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle. See, in how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and so let us write the formula. What is the formula, children? See, they want to measure the rectangle with the help of a wire. So how much wire will be needed, they are asking. So let us find the perimeter. So what is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, first you always write the formula, 2 into length. Okay, length means L means length and 2 into breadth. Breadth means B. Okay, so always write, I hope now it is clear. Perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length. Length mean L means length and B means breadth. Okay, after writing this formula, let us solve. So 2 into length is 7 centimeter, 2 into breadth is 4 centimeter. So 2 sevens are, what is 2 sevens are? 14, and 2 into breadth, so breadth is 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 22 centimeter. Okay. So 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make a rectangle. Okay. Simple. Now similarly we will solve the second sum. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its breadth is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? So first I will do a rough diagram. Okay, length is 20 meter and breadth is 12 meter. So what is given? Length 20 meter, breadth or width is 12 meter. Okay. Now let us write the formula. Perimeter, that's why I told, just by heart the formula. Rectangle is 2 into breadth. Okay. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Two 20s are 2 2s are 4, 0 will come down. 2 20s are 40 plus 2 12s are 24. So the answer is 64 meter. Okay, correct. So 64 meter is the perimeter, okay, of a rectangle. Now question number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Now square has 4 equal sides, right? So one side is 9 meter. Now what is given? What is the given length is given, which is 9 meter. Okay, and what is the formula of a square? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So I will write here, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into the length of one side. Okay, means 4 into L, 4 into 9 meter. Okay, so 4 9s is 36 meter, right? So the answer is 36 meter. Perimeter of a square. Correct? Now next sum is little tricky if you understand. So listen carefully. If we take 4 rounds around a field, okay, there is a field that is 160 meter long and 9 meter wide. Wide means breadth. Okay, 160 meter long and 90 meter wide means it is a rectangular field. Okay, the field is rectangular because 160 meter is the length and width is 9 meter. Right, children? If it was a square field, then only one length only would have been given, but here they are talking about length and width. So you have to identify whether this is a square. They are asking it is a square field or a rectangular field. Here it is a rectangular field. So first what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Okay, and we have to take 4 rounds, means we have to find the total distance, how much we cover. Okay, so for that first you have to find the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, then we will come take a second step, that how much distance we will cover in if we take 4 rounds. Okay, so first let us find the distance covered in 1 round. So first length is given, so length is 160 meter, breadth or width is 90 meter, it is 90. Okay, I have made a mistake, please write 90 meter. Okay, 90 meter, 160 and 90 meter. Then perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, means 2 into 160 meter plus 2 into 90 meter. So 2 into 160 meter is 320 meter plus 2 into 90 meter, 2 nines are 18 and 0 will come down. Similarly here also 2 16s are 32. Okay, and 0 came down. Or you can multiply, and here 320 plus 180 is 500 meter. Okay, 320 plus 180. If you are not very confident, kindly solve. Make a rough column and solve. Okay, now this is the distance covered in 1 round. Okay, so here we will write distance covered in 1 round, which is 500 meter, or you can write the perimeter of the field is 500 meter. Now distance covered in 4 rounds is equal to 500 into 4. Come on children, 5 4s are, what is 5 4s are? 20, and directly you will write the zeros here. Okay, so it is 2000 meter. Now see, we walk in kilometers. Okay, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how much children? 1000 meter, no? So here we are talking about 2000. So 2000 means 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. So 2 kilometer distance was covered in 4 rounds of a field. Okay. Kindly question number 5, 7 and 8 are not there. This year they have reduced. So kindly solve question number 6 and 9, and I will send the answer key in my next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.